Today I want to talk about how to get 5.55% per annum effective interest rate on your bonus saver account. And this is a guide I've already written, but this is more for people who respond better to video. If you want a written guide, check out the link over here and in the description box below. Now, bonus saver account has been giving 5.55% per annum interest since June 2025, and this is a guide on how you can easily satisfy things like your credit card spend, salary crediting, as well as invest categories. Now, there are some workarounds and hacks for those who are having trouble with any of these, so watch on for more details. And if you want to sign up, make sure you use my link because you can get additional rewards, so refer to the description box for more details. So the 5.55% per annum interest rate is made out of four things. One is the base interest. Okay, number two is the salary crediting category. 3, your card spend, and number 4, invest. Now you can actually complete the insure category for another 2.5%, giving you 8.05% per annum in all, which is what Stan Chart advertises. But it's something that's very difficult to fulfill because you need to buy insurance policy of at least $12,000 premium per year, and I don't think it's worth paying so much for insurance policy. The easy ones to fulfill will be salary crediting, card spend, and invest. And there are workarounds and hacks for all these three, so we'll go through them later in this video. Now, salary crediting is a very easy requirement to meet, right? If you have a salary being credited to you from your company, just ask your HR to credit to your bonus saver. And if it's at least $3,000, you'll unlock 1.5% per annum bonus interest. Now, of course, there are some people who either are unwilling to trouble their company to do that, or they don't have formal salary. So there's actually one way to go around this, and it is very similar to the UOB1 method, which is to use another account to pay yourself a salary. Now, what we have found as a community is that bonus saver actually recognizes salary transferred to yourself via 3 ways, either through Gyro, Fast, or PayNow, as long as you can set the transaction category to salary. There are a few differences though, right? And the best is to use Gyro, because when you use Gyro, what happens is that we have found that the bonus interest comes in early in the month, as early as the first working day. Whereas if you use Fast or PayNow to transfer your own salary, you will get the interest in the middle of the month. So if you want your interest faster, okay, use the Gyro method. Otherwise, you can use PayNow or Fast to transfer yourself a salary. Now, to make a gyro or a non-fast transfer, you can refer to the guide I've written specifically for this, and I'll link it below, and it's also actually in the guide itself. So yeah, you can refer to that for how to make a non-fast or gyro transaction to fulfill the salary crediting category. Now that salary is done, we can look at card spend, which is also pretty easy to reach, and you just need to spend $1,000 on your bonus saver credit card or debit card. Okay, so none of the other Stan Chart cards that you have will work for this account, unfortunately. You have to use the bonus saver account card, which has no rewards, no cashback, no miles. Now, my recommendation is to pay your insurance premium as far as possible with your bonus saver card. And this only works with policies that accept MasterCard payment directly, which I know some insurers do, but other insurers do not. The reason why insurance premiums are preferred is because most cards don't actually give you any rewards here. So your opportunity cost for using a bonus saver card is actually zero, right? Because other cards don't give rewards, this card doesn't give rewards. So it makes sense to put your insurance premium on your bonus saver card. However, if you can't find premiums to put on this card, okay, you can use iPayMy or CardUp, which are services that allow you to get the bonus saver card spend out of the way. Of course, you need to pay a fee for that, but you can then use it to pay for all kinds of things like car loan, mortgage, insurance that don't accept cards directly, income tax, etc. Now, of course, can you use your bonus saver card for your daily retail spend and expenses? Yes, you can, but the reason why I would recommend paying a fee to CardUp or iPayMy is because you can reserve your normal expenditure for other cashback or miles card that give you 8% cashback, 4 miles per dollar, and you'll be better off. Say for instance, you have an 8% cashback card and you spend $1,000 on it, you can get $80 of cashback. Or if you use a 4 miles per dollar card, you will get 4,000 miles. Now, if you had used your bonus saver card for these expenses, you get 0 rewards, meaning to say you give up $80 of cashback or 4,000 miles. But if you have instead used your bonus saver card and pay the fee to CardUp or iPayMy, let's say 2.5% fee, you will only incur $25 of fees, which is obviously lower than 80% cashback, and well worth paying $25 for 4,000 miles. So my opinion is that you should definitely use CardUp and iPayMy as far as possible to clock the interest for your bonus saver account using your bonus saver card, and then reserve your normal expenses for your 8% cashback card or your 4 miles per dollar card, and you'll get more rewards than what you have paid in the fees for your bonus saver card spend. But if you find this too complicated, just use the card on your ordinary expenses. Nobody's stopping you for that.
Are you a uSMART SG user? Here's a chance to win a one-night stay at RWS Equarius Ocean Suites. All you have to do is to execute at least one successful buy or sell trade with your uSMART SG account during the promotion period until 31st December 2025 and you can get one chance of winning. Each successful trade will get you one chance, so if you buy 6 shares and sell 4 shares, you get 10 shares in total to win the amazing suite staycation with spectacular underwater view and top-notch butler service. There will be one winner selected in November, another in December, and winners will be notified via email or phone. Not a uSMART SG user yet? Make sure you sign up using my link to get welcome promos such as getting free Tesla share vouchers and cash vouchers totaling up to 200 USD. Once you open your uSMART SG account, you can start trading and get more lucky draw chances. Check out the terms and conditions in the description box now, and thanks for signing up, and thanks to uSMART SG for sponsoring this video.
And just by completing the spend and salary requirements, you already get 3.05% per annum, which is actually a very good rate already. But of course, we want to also clock the invest category to get 5.55% per annum, which is the highest bank account right now. Or if you want to access this calculator and play around with the balance amount to see how much roughly you'll get in interest from different bank accounts, okay, I also include a link in the description box below. Now, to clock the bonus interest from the invest category, we need to buy at least $20,000 of equities or unit trusts, and we just need to buy once for the bonus interest to be given for the next 6 months. Now, the thing about buying investment products from a bank to clock bonus interest or get free gifts, right, is that there are I think at least three major concerns to take note of. One is lock-in period, number two is fees, and number three will be volatility. Now, number one, lock-in period, you don't have to worry about it here because they just need you to buy equities or unit trusts which are 100% liquid. You can actually liquidate them anytime and get the prevailing value of the units, and you're not locked in like some lousy products would. And number two, fees, you have to take note of this, but there are some portfolios that StanChart is actually offering with zero sales charge. So that's what I personally use for my own investment. And yeah, this is not personal financial advice, so please don't follow blindly, but I'll share it later on what did I buy. Now, number three is volatility, and when you buy any investment, right, there's always a risk of your investment going down. And the bonus interest that you get, right, may not cover the losses you incur. And this is especially so if you did not even intend to invest in that particular investment in the first place and just wanted to get bonus interest. So with these three things in mind, let's take a look at what I actually did for my own account to get extra bonus interest. So between my family members and myself, we actually have 3 bonus saver accounts, okay, and the way that we accomplish the invest categories were a little bit different. Now, for one account, we actually used one of SC Invest portfolios because there's currently a 0% sales charge. Now, when you buy unit trust through a bank, you usually have to pay a sales charge, and I think StanChart is charging around 1.5%. So if you buy a $20,000 unit trust, that's $300 of upfront sales charge that we have to pay, which I was not willing to pay. So what I did was I bought this. But the different funds have different risk profiles, and all of them will have some form of volatility, with Cash Plus being the lowest risk of the 4, and yeah, income being slightly more aggressive and balance being even more aggressive, and of course, what's the last one? Growth being the most aggressive portfolio that they have to offer. So when I was looking for investment product to satisfy the invest category, I picked this because no lock-in period like all the other unit trusts and equities. But yeah, there's also no sales charge, which is quite unique only for these set of portfolios. So I didn't pick them based on their merits or anything. Yeah, I just picked them based on promo. So again, not financial advice, this is what I did for one of my family members' account. Do take note that there's actually an annual management fee of 0.75% for the Cash Plus portfolio and also 0.95% per year for the other portfolios. For one of my family members' account, we couldn't actually use the SC Invest portfolio because she's above the age that's eligible, and therefore we had to trade equities. Trading equities come with some fees, okay, so 0.2% on the buy, and if you sell, there's also another 0.2%. So on a $20,000 investment, that's around $40 on the buy and $40 on the sell. So investments come with some volatility depending on what you buy, of course. So if you're more risk averse, you should be quite happy to know that actually what happens is that you can actually buy and sell your investments and still get the bonus interest from the invest category for the next 6 months, because one, there's nothing in the terms and conditions that say anything about selling or holding the units. You just need to buy in order to get the bonus interest. And number two, users, including myself, have actually sold our holdings and still get the bonus interest on an ongoing basis. So yeah, if you just don't want to invest at all, what you can do is you can buy and then sell it soon after to avoid volatility. And again, no lock-in period. But of course, if you are buying or selling equities, there's a percentage on the buy and the sell. And if you're buying unit trust, there is a sales charge other than the promotional one that I talked about just now.
Now, if you want to sign up for this account, please take note that there are a few steps that you should follow to maximize your rewards. Number one, if you are not yet a Standard Chartered credit card holder or you cancelled your last one more than 12 months ago, you should actually sign up for another Standard Chartered card first so you can enjoy the sign up promo for the Standard Chartered card. And then sign up for the Standard Chartered Bonus Saver account plus the credit card so they can enjoy both promos. Now, because the Bonus Saver account promo actually requires you to sign up for a credit card, if you do this first, you will no longer be eligible to sign up for the Standard credit card and enjoy this promo, right? So you want to enjoy two promos, sign up for the credit card first, and then the Bonus Saver account and Bonus Saver credit card. For the current promo, if you sign up and deposit $50,000 and hold it to the end of the next month, you can actually get the Bose Quiet Comfort Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. And if you use my link or promo code, you actually get bonus $30 cashback. This is for November 2025, and I think it should be the same in December 2025. Subscribe to the Telegram and search Bonus Saver for the most up-to-date promo.
So that's it. That's how you get 5.55% per annum interest on the Bonus Saver account. A very fantastic rate that I've been enjoying since June. And if you found this useful, right, subscribe to my Telegram for more updates on how to earn more from your credit card, savings account, etc. And of course, use my link to sign up for the account. Also, check out this video where I talk about how I'm handling my cash now that markets are all-time high and everybody's like talking about a potential crash that's coming. So I'll see you in that video.